Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone not getting app notification after the updating of iOS. Before start, please don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for latest video notifications. Let's start the solutions. The first thing that we have to check, go to settings, scroll down and tap do not disturb. And we have to make sure that do not disturb is disabled. After that, if you're still facing the same issue, then we go for some other solutions. Solution number 1, update your iPhone and enable automatic update. For that, go to settings, connect to Wi-Fi, then tap general and tap software update. Now update your iPhone if update is available and tap automatic updates and make sure that download iOS update is enabled. And also enable install iOS updates. Solution number 2, turn off and turn on allow notifications. For that, go to settings, then tap notifications and select show previews and make sure that always is selected. If already selected always, then select always unlocked and back to always. Now go back to notification and select the app that you are not getting notification. For example, if you are not getting notification for the Facebook, tap on Facebook and enable allow notification and make sure that lock screen, notification center and banner are selected. Solution number 3, launch settings, tap Bluetooth and disable Bluetooth. Solution number 4, turn off and turn on your iPhone. For that, launch settings, tap general, now tap shutdown, drag the slider to power off, wait for a couple of minutes and turn on your iPhone. That's it. Hopefully guys, you found this video helpful, then please like and share as well. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.